Hello, what's up? Uh, just come. Glad you joined in. Now we're going to make what is it? An algorithm. First, beginner of algorithm using Ruby. Without further ado, let's jump to the video. Now we're going to make a string one. Just copy above the hello world, and also we need to make an integer of this 1 1 2 2 3 4 4 5 5, and we're going to print it in this, what is it, in the Ruby. We're going to make maybe string, just say the name of the variable and also the integer and also the name of variable. Okay, use this and just use this. Maybe we just use integer 1 because I'm afraid that it will be reserve reserve keyword. See, we have this, and we're going to turn the string into list. There's two ways to do this. You can say this integer this integer is going to be what is it? So you can say just string 1 and split just this, or I'm sorry, it should be this str 1. You can say integer, just remove the integer. You can say this going to be integer 1. You can do scan in here. What we're going to scan, just remove the space. Now we can print this using pp. Print pretty. Just put it in here, require pp, and you can use it after this. Let's do this. See, we have space in here, and then we're going to turn list char into integer. Just use this, and we're going to map it inside in here, and I'm going to say and to integer, and after this you're going to print this one. See, it's not a string anymore. It become, what is it, integer list. And we're going to remove the duplicate. The way to do that, just say this integer is this integer unique, and after this you don't have another duplicate in here, just 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and then we're going to turn the list into string. Just put, what is it, list str, and using join. See, you got string hello world, and we're going to check the space inside the list. And to do that, you have to index space and index space. No. First one, you have to make sure space inside list. Oh, I'm sorry, space inside list. So we're going to put list str. This is include space. Okay, say it's true. Okay, and then we're going to have the index of it, index of space. Just use this integer in str, and then we're going to say index of the space, and we're going to put it in here, put index space. Okay, let's see. In 5 we can do we can remove this by using list str and then delete that. I'm going to say index space and just print pretty about list string. You can see See, there is no space again, and we're going to swap between the little o and the big W. To do that, we're going to say this star, and we're going to say 4, and this star are going to be 5. It's same as this star is going to be 5, and this star is going to be 4, and we're going to just print the list as there. See, it changed, and we're going to make another list in here. Just say list integer 1, maybe it's going to be 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and merge it with the list the same of type. We have a list integer in here, so we're going to merge it. It's going to be list it's going to be list integer plus list integer 1. To remove the the duplicate, you can say unique, and just print this one. Okay, just print this one. Voila, you get 1, 2, 3, 4 to 10. And the next one, we're going to cut the list into 2. You just have to have a middle in there. Just say the list of the str, the size of it, we're going to modulus by 2, and just say round. If I'm not mistaken, just make it round. If 2.5, you're going to have 2. If 2.5, yeah, it most likely floor in here. So we're going to have a left and right. It's going to be list str, and going to be each, and slice the middle one and to A, and we're going to print this one to left and the right, just to make sure of it. See, we have hello and we have word. We cut it out from here because we already swapped it. This is have a double O. Seems that it works. Now we're going to have first HashMap. First HashMap. The HashMap is going to be 1 to first, maybe, and 2 is second, and the third is third. Okay, and we're going to check whether the n is in the key. To do that, we're going to put keys of maybe 1. Keys, key. Just clear it first. See, we got 2, and to get the value of n, just print this one with the key, and we got first. And to put the other one, we're going to have put and check if the value exists. Just say this one, and it has values, a value. Which one do you want to take? Which one do you want to search? Maybe third one. Say it's 2. Say 4. It's going to be false. Say false. Just back to third. And we're going to iterate every one of it. Just say first HashMap each. Just do key and value. And this is going to be the end of it. Just put in here the key is, we print the key, and the value is, we print the value. Okay, I think this is enough. See, we got this one. So I think that's all for now. Thank you for joining in. See you in the this is the all that you need to do lead code in array. So I think this is uh, just all you need, and see you in the next tutorial.